वेलकम अगेन। यहाँ पे DDC डंडोरा का स्कोर जो है वो 98 2-1 पर। गुड डिलीवरी बाय एजाज। $59 run for the loss of 2 wickets in just 6 hours for DDC Tandora. Here was some drama before this, but decision goes in favor of the batsman.
Na kesa maruji dah. Jom ya kadon dia.
Muhammad Aqib to Muharram. Muharram plays on 40 runs, and this is wide delivery. The score is 60 for the loss of 2. This is another wide delivery by Muhammad Aqib. Score goes on 61 for the loss of 2. And a good shot played at the end. Very good fielding, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With the single, the score is 62 for the loss of 2. DDC Tandora won the toss and they decided to bat first. Faizan is on strike. Good shot, but at the end, very good fielding, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With the single, the score is 62. Muhammad Aqib to Muharram, and very good shot played by Muharram. Another 6 for Muharram. He is on 47 runs with the help of 3 fours and 2 7 fours. Good cricket play by Muharram. Aqib to Muharram. Muharram is on 47. Another good shot played by Muharram and another 6. This is 50 for Muharram. This is 50 for Muharram with the help of 7 fours and 4 huge 6. 50 for Muharram. He is on 53. His score goes on 75 for the loss of 2. Ballers gets over. Aqib to Muharram. This is a dot delivery. Muharram is on 53 runs. He just faced 25 deliveries with the help of 7 fours and 4 huge 6. Muharram is on and another good shot played by Muharram for another 6. Good cricket played by Muharram. Muharram is on 59 with the help of 5, 6 and 7 4. The score goes on 81 for the loss of 2. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukarturba ground. Zahid is on strike. Dot delivery. Zahid is on 1 run. The score is on 81 for the loss of 2. And this is the wicket. Good bowling by Zuhur Yal. This is the 3rd wicket for DDC Dandora. They lost their 3rd wicket in 81 for the loss of 3 in 7.1 hours. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukarturba ground. The organizing body of this tournament, they are Mr. Abdul Hamid Wani, Shahnawaz and Tawfiqul Noor. Today's match is between Dandora versus Yal. The score remaining on 81 for the loss of 3. अच्छा DDC Dandora is on 81 on board. Raju 17 is new batsman. Raju 17 is the new batsman for DDC Dandora. Zuhur Yal take his first wicket, and this is the second over for Zuhur Yal. Raju is on strike, new batsman. Zuhur to Raju, and this is a wide delivery. This is another dot delivery, no run, but at the end misfield by wicketkeeper. The 2 batsmen take a single. With this single, the score goes on 84 for the loss of 3. Muharram is on, and this is another single for the 2 batsmen. With this single, the score goes on 84 for the loss of 4 wicket. Muharram goes on 60 in just 27 deliveries. Liaz Ahmad Saab for watching this live stream. Thank you for watching this live stream, Ahmad Saab. This is another single for the 2 batsmen. With this single, the score goes on 84 for the loss of 3.
आमिर 11 वर्सेस रब्बी 11 और आमिर 11 में मुझे प्लेयरिंग लुक चाहिए.
Zahid Hamid is the batsman who is out for DC. Another good shot played by Muharram. Another 6 for Muharram and another 6 for the team DC Dandora. With this 6, the score goes on 91. The individual score of Muharram is 66 in just 28 deliveries. With the help of 7 4s and 6 huge 6. Good batting played by Muharram. Very good knock played. He is on 66. After 8 hours, the score is 91 for the loss of 3. Amir Mahindra live क्यों बंद किया था? There was some problem. That is the reason we stopped this live stream. Some technical problem. After 8 hours, the score for DDC Dandora is 91 for the loss of 3 wickets. DDC Dandora win the toss and they opted to bat first. This is DDC Dandora versus Yal. The new bowler for Yal is Sahil. Sahil is the new bowler. Sahil to Raju 17. That's the score remaining on 91 for the loss of 3. Sahil to Raju. And this is a first wide delivery and missed by, this is wide 4. That's the score raise up 96 for the loss of 3 in just 8 hours. Usman Latif Karisaf. Thank you Usman Latif Karisaf. Latif Narpura say thank you Latif Saf for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends and keep support. Sahil to Raju 17. Raju 17 plays on 2 runs. Muharram plays on 66. Muharram is the player who is on 66 in just 28 deliveries with the help of 7 fours and 6 U6. Sahil to Raju 17. And this is a wide delivery by Sahil. With this wide, the score is 697 for the loss of 3 wickets. Shabir Rathir Saab, thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends. Nice, thank you Shabir Saab for watching this live stream. This is Sahil to Raju. And another wide delivery by Sahil. With this wide, the score is on 98 for the loss of 3 in just 8 hours. The score for Raju, the score for DC is 98 for the loss of 2. Raju is on strike. And this is bat kept by the Raju 17 for another 4. This is first 4 for Raju 17. The individual score for Raju is 6 and the score for DDC Dondora is 102 for the loss of 3 wickets. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukatulba ground. The two teams are today Dondora DDC versus Yal. First DDC Dondora win the toss and they opted to bat first. And this is another wide delivery. With this wide, the score goes on 103 for the loss of 3. Raju is on 6. Muharram plays on 66. Keep share this live stream with your friends. Sahil to Raju. And this is good delivery. Very good fielding at the end, but it is single. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score goes on 104 for the loss of 3. Sahil to Muharram. Muharram is on 66. And this is another wide delivery. Not good bowling by the player Sahil. Score goes on 105 for the loss of 3. The current run rate is 12.60. Muharram is on strike. He is on 66. Sahil to Muharram. Another good shot played by Muharram for another 4. Very good kicker played by Muharram. Another 4 for DDC Dondora. The score goes on 109 for the loss of 3. The individual score for Muharram is 70 in just 29 deliveries. This is the good cricket played by Muharram. He is on 70 runs. Sahil to Muharram. The score is on 109 for the loss of 3. Sahil to Muharram. And this is a bounce delivery. Short delivery. Score remaining on 109 for the loss of 3 in 8.4 hours. Sahil to Muharram. This is another wide delivery. काफी महंगा साबित ओवर साहिल का. 4 गेंदे और 19 रन दिए साहिल ने. डीडीसी डंडोरा का स्कोर जो है वो 110 पर 3 विकेटों के. और दिस इज नो डिलीवरी एंड दिस इज फ्री हिट गिवन बाय द अंपायर. नॉट गुड बॉलिंग बाय साहिल. The score goes on 111 for the loss of 3. Muharram is on strike. Muharram is on 70 runs. Sahil to Muharram. Amir Mahindra. Muharram ने कितना runs किया? Thank you Amir साहब. And this is a dot delivery. Thank you Amir Mahindra साहब for watching this live stream. Muharram ने कितना runs बनाए? Thank you Amir Saab. Muharram is on 70 runs. He faces just 32 deliveries with the help of 8 fours and 6 U6 Sahil to Muharram. And another good shot played by Muharram for another 4. This is another 4 for Muharram. With this 4, the score goes on 74. Individual score of Muharram. With this 4, the score for DC Tundora is 115 for the loss of 3. This partnership goes on 34 in just 11 deliveries. Keep share this live stream with your friends. Thank you for watching this live stream. You can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukatul Park ground. Today's team they are Dandora versus Yal. Dandora won the toss and decided to bat first after 9 hours. The score for TDC Dandora is 115 for the loss of 3. Muharram is on 74. He is on non-strike. Raju 17 is on strike. He is on 7. कैसा? तुम तो इनको ना मैं कहता हूँ तो कौन है वो सेंड क्या लिख मैं and this is another good shot played by Raju 70 for another 4. Good kill cut played by Tundora TDC 7. With this 4, the score goes on 119 for the loss of 3. Raju goes on 7 runs with the help of 11 runs with the help of 2 fours. Score is 119 for the loss of 3 in 9.1 hours. Ejaz to Raju 17. Ejaz to Raju 17. Another good shot played by and it is another 6 for DC Tundora. This is the first 6 for Raju 17. He goes on 17 with the help of 1 Hugh 6 and 2 fours. With the 6, the score for DC Tundora is 125 for the loss of 3 wicket in 9.3 overs. The partnership goes on 44 in just 13 deliveries. Very good shot by Raju 17. Also, he is on 17 runs, just to face 6 deliveries. Ejaz to Raju 17. This is a wide delivery given by the umpire Tafiqul Noor. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukatul Park ground. Ejaz to Raju, and this is a good delivery. This is dot delivery, no run. The score remaining on 126 with the current run rate 13.26. Projected score will be 239 for TDC Tundora. Ejaz to Raju. Another good shot but at the end it is a good catch by the fielder. Very good catch. And it is end of Raju 17. He goes on 17. This is another loss for TDC Tundora. This is 4th loss for DC Tundora, 126 for the loss of 4. Raju goes on 17. Partnership goes end on 45 in 14 deliveries. Ejaz takes his second wicket. Oh, Shanawaz. The score is 126 for the loss of 4 wicket. Muharram is the player who is on 74 in just 33 balls with 9 fours and 6 Hugh 6. This is T20 Tournament Cup played at Chukatul Park ground. The two teams are today TDC Tundora versus Yal. First, TDC Tundora win the toss and they decided to bat first. After 9.4 hours, the score for TDC Tundora is 126 for the loss of 4 wicket. Shabir Rathar Saab, thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream. Amir Mahindra is also watching this live stream. Thank you for watching this live stream. Ejaz to the new batsman. Ashik Ahmed is the new batsman on strike. And this is dot delivery, no run. Score still on 126 for the loss of 4. DDC Dundora win the toss and they decided to bat first. After 9.5 hours, the score is 126 for the loss of 4. Ejaz to Ashik, new batsman. This is good wicket. Clean bowled by Ejaz Ahmed. This is 5th wicket for Dundora. Very good bowling by Ejaz at the end. This is another loss for DDC Dundora. Score goes on 126 for the loss of 5. Akat satu. Mir Ashraf watching from Nishad. Thank you, Mir Ashraf for watching this live stream. Share this live stream. Thank you, Mir Ashraf for watching this live stream. Right now it is the match between DDC Dundora versus Yal. T20 Super Cup played at Chukatul Bagh ground. The two teams are Dundora versus Yal. First, DDC Dundora. First, DDC Dundora win the toss and they decide to bat first. After 10 hours, the score for DDC Dundora is 126 for the loss of 5. Muharram is the batsman who is on 74 in just 33 deliveries with the help of 9 fours and 6 6. What's going on? Slash, you guys have one card. My attention. That card was cut away. The score for DDC Dundora is 126 for the loss of 5 in 10 hours. Zuhur to Muharram. Lazy fielding here by the fielder. And this is another 4 for Muharram. Very lazy cricket played by Yal. With this 4, the score for Muharram is 78 and the score for DDC Dundora is 130 for the loss of 3. Tanveer Ahmed is the new batsman on non-strike. Zohar to Muharram. This is another good shot, but at the end the two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score goes on 131 for the loss of 5. Muharram is on 79 runs. He just faced 36 deliveries. The new batsman Tanveer Ahmed is on strike. Zuhur Yal to the new batsman Tanveer Ahmed. Dot delivery, no run. The score remaining on 131 for the loss of 5. Tanveer. This is another 4 for TDC Dundora, and this is first 4 for Tanveer Ahmed. With this 4, the score goes on 135 for the loss of 5 wicket. Tanveer goes on 4 runs and Muharram is on 79. Zuhur to Tanveer Ahmed. This is a dot delivery. 11 hours completed. The score is 135 for the loss of 5. Zuhur Yal completes his third over and he take 1 wicket and gives 33 runs. Kaisar Dar is the new bowler. Dina Kaisar to Muharram, and here the two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score goes on 137 for the loss of 5. Muharram is on 80. Kaisar to Tanveer Ahmed, and this is another single for the two batsmen. Tanveer goes on 5. With this single, the score goes on 137. Sam Muzammil, Assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum salam. Thank you for watching this live stream. The score for DC Tundora is 137 for the loss of 5. And this is a wide. This is another lazy fielding by the player, and this is leg wide for. With this single, the score goes on 138 for the loss of 5 in 11.3 hours. Kaisar to Tanveer. Another good shot played by at the end. The two players missed this, and this is another 4 for DDC Tundora. With this 4, the score goes on 142 for the loss of 5. Tanveer Ahmed is on 9. It's another shot played by for another single. With this single, the score of Muharram is 81. Muharram is on strike, and this is dot delivery. After 12 hours, the score for DC Tundora is 143 for the loss of 5. Muharram is on 81 in just 39 deliveries with the help of 10 fours and 6 U6. Partnership goes on 17 in 12 deliveries. Tanveer Ahmed is on strike. Kaisar Dar completes his first over and he gives 8 runs. Tanveer Ahmed is on strike. Another good shot played by the batsman Tanveer for another 4. This is his third 4, and with this 4, the score for DC Tundora is 147 for the loss of 5 in just 12.1 hours. The current run rate is 12.8. The partnership goes on 21 in just 13 deliveries. Zuhur to Tanveer Ahmed. Tanveer plays on 14 runs, and this is a dot delivery, no run. The score remaining on 147 for the loss of 5. So to Tanveer, another good shot played by the player Tanveer Ahmed for another 6. This is the first 6 for Tanveer Ahmed, and with this 6, the score goes on 153 for the loss of 5. Very good cricket played by Tanveer Ahmed. He just faced 9 deliveries and makes 20 runs with the help of 3 fours and 1. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukka Tulbagh ground. The score for DC Tundora is 153 for the loss of 5. Tanveer Ahmed plays on 20. He just faced 9 deliveries with the help of 3 fours and 1 U6. Muharram is the batsman who is on 81. Just faced 39 deliveries with the help of 9 fours and 6 U6. The partnership goes on 27 in just 15 deliveries. DDC Tundora won the toss and they opted to bat first. After 12.13 hours, the score is 153 for the loss of 5. And this is T20 Super Cup. Score is 153 for the loss of 5. 12.3. Tanveer Ahmed is on strike. Another good shot played by the player Tanveer Ahmed for another 4. With this 4, the score goes on 157 for the loss of 5. With this 4, the individual score of Tanveer Ahmed is 24. He just faced 10 deliveries with the help of 4 fours and 1 huge 6. The partnership goes on 31 in just 16 deliveries. Zohor to, and this is dot delivery. Score remaining on 157 for the loss of 5. Zohor, and this is Zohor to Tanveer Ahmed. This is a dot delivery. The score remaining on 158 for the loss of 5. After 13 hours.
Dina. Lagi suni bala. Impact ka. Ada dua je bala.
This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukartulba ground. The two teams DC Tundora versus and you can see him.
Kaç kaldı? Tournament. Actually go to tournament. Tournament है. Head a tournament है. ये चीज़ देखिए हाँ head a tournament series है. आवा. वाला ठीक है टाइम में रिस्पांस आ रहा है हाँ यार कॉल एप्लीकेशन करता था डाउनलोड कोशिश क्रिकेट वाला ठीक है बाकी और फोन से भी अच्छा क्रिकेट डाउनलोड यस ट्रू Dios, eu coloquei man. A última.
Castillo. Tanveer Ahmed is on strike. He is on 24. Muharram is on 88. He is on non-strike. Kaisar to the batsman Tanveer Ahmed. The score is 166 for the loss of 5 in 13.3. Kaisar to Tanveer. Another good shot played by Tanveer for another huge 6. Very good cricket played by Tanveer Ahmed. With the 6, the score goes on 172 for the loss of 5. With the 6, the score of Tanveer Ahmed is 30 in just 14 deliveries with the help of 4 fours and 2 huge 6. 9596 48 55 92 number speed packages. Kaisar to Tanveer. And it is given out. This is another loss for DC Tundora. 172 for the loss of 6 earlier.
आगे से ट्रांस डाल दिया ला के आई थी मेरे को जुबान पे
लगा 73 73 7367
7367
4. Kaisa dot to the new batsman Umar Rafiq is the new batsman on crease. Muharram is a batsman who is on 88 on strike. Kaisa take his first wicket. Kaisa to the new batsman Umar Rafiq. Kaisa? Kaisa to Umar. This is a dot delivery. The score for DC Dandora is 172 for the loss of 6 in 14 hours. Muharram is the player who is on 88. He just faced 42 deliveries with the help of 10 fours and 7 huge 6. Kaiser completes his second hour and he gives 22 and take 1 wicket. Oh, Dina. Taisha, give me stop for you. 48 55 92. Muhammad Akib to the batsman Muhammad Muharram. This is dot delivery. The score remaining on 172 for the loss of 6. 48 55 92. Muhammad Akib to Muharram. Another good shot played by Muharram for another 4. With this 4, the score of Muharram is 92. With this 4, the score for DC Dandora is 180 in just 14.2 hours. 92 score Muharram with the help of 11 fours and 7 huge 6. Muhammad Akib to Muharram. Muharram is on 92. And this is another good delivery by Akib, but cannot take a single. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score is 177 for the loss of 6. Akib to the new batsman Umar, and this is good at the end, very good fielding. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score is 178 for the loss of 6. Muharram is on strike. He is on 93. Akib to Muharram, and this is another good shot played by Muharram for another 4. And Muharram goes on 97 runs. With this 4, the score for DC Dandora is 182 for the loss of 6. Akib to Muharram. Muharram plays on 97. The score is 182 for the loss of 6. And this is dot delivery, good delivery. The score remaining on 182 for the loss of 6. Muharram is on 97. He just faced 46 deliveries with the help of 12 fours and 7 huge 6. 15 hours completed. The score is 182 for the loss of 6. The new batsman Umar Rafiq is on strike. Kaisa dot to Umar Rafiq. And this is a good delivery. And here DDC Dandora lost their 8th wicket.
Many gone Galafala. Ball, and I ball. And I have ball, look at that over. Boom. Down us it. Next side of it.
Kaisa take his second wicket. Rais Ahmad is the new batsman on crease.
Not out. There is not out. I will send a party and catch.
Rais Ahmed is the new batsman on crease. Gets a dot to the new batsman Rais dot. And this is a dot delivery. The score remaining on 182 for the loss of 7. Gets a dot to Rais. And this is full toss delivery, but this is no. And this is free hit. The score goes on 183 for the loss of 7. Saim Muzammil out Kun hua. Sitil Muharram plays on 97. He needs 3 runs for his century. And this is a dot delivery. The score is 183 for the loss of 7. Kaisa 2. And this is another dot delivery. Kaisa 2 Rais. And this is 4 for DC Tandora. With this 4, the score goes on 187 for the loss of 7. Rais Ahmed is on 4. He is on strike. Muharram is on non-strike. He is non-strike. He is on 97. For DDC Tandora, Muharram, he is on non-strike. He is 97. Zahid Hamid goes on 5 runs. Tanveer Rashid goes on 2. Faizan makes only 1. Raju 17 goes on 17. Ashik Ahmed goes on tuck. Tanveer Ahmed goes on 30 runs. And this is another dot delivery. And is out. Umar Rashid goes on 1. Rais Ahmed goes on 4 runs. The total score for DDC Tandora after 16 hours 187 for the loss of 8. Now Muharram is on strike. He is on 97. Overticked. The new batsman on crease is Javed Ahmed. Javed Ahmed is the new batsman for DC Tandora. DC Tandora plays today good. They have good total on board 187. Settle their remaining 12 balls. Will they give target of 210, 220 to Yal? It will be seen in next. Muharram is on strike. He is on 97 runs. This is another good shot for and this is the century for Muharram. Very good cricket played by Muharram. He goes on 101 with the help of 13 fours and 7 huge 6. The score goes on 191 for the loss of 8. Muharram is on 101. Javed Ahmed to Muharram. And this is dot delivery. This is the 17th hour of this evening. The score remaining on 191 for the loss of 8. Mushtaq ke Assalamu alaikum, walaikum salam Mushtaq sahab. And this is another good 6. Good shot played by Muharram. Another 6 for Muharram. Another 6 for the DDC Tandora. With the 6, the score goes on 197 for the loss of 8. Score goes on too high 178. Muharram is on 107. Yeah, इसी प्लेयर टाइम में तो योग मारो थोड़ा. Mushtaq ke Assalamu alaikum, walaikum salam Mushtaq sahab. Livington Sharon, where is this? This is the tournament played at Chukka Tulbagh ground in district Baramulla. The two teams are Yal versus DDC Tandora. First DDC Tandora win the toss and they decide to bat first. After 16.3 hours, the score for DDC Tandora is 197 for the loss of 8. The player Muharram is on 107 runs. He just faced 50 to Javed to Muharram. Another good shot played by Muharram. Another huge 6. This is good cricket played by Muharram. He goes on 113 runs with the help of 9 huge 6. Good cricket played by, and this is 203 for DDC Tandora. Javed to Muharram, and this is dot delivery. Score of Muharram is 113 with the help of 13 fours and 9 huge 6 with a strike rate of 217. The score for DDC Tandora is 203 for the loss of 8. Javed Ahmed to Muharram. Muharram is on 113. Another good shot, but only a single. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score is 204 for the loss of 8 after 17 hours. Now TDC Dondora have left only 1 hour. Now this is the last hour. Danish Farooq is the bowler. Zat Soor, the score for DC Dondora is 204 for the loss of 8. Muharram is the batsman who plays on 114. He just faced 53 deliveries with huge 9 sixes. Danish to Muharram, and this is a dot delivery. The score remaining on 204 for the loss of 8. Muharram is on strike. Muharram plays on 114 runs. Danish to Muharram, and this is another dot delivery. No run. Score remaining on 204 for the loss of 5 in 17.2 hours. The current run rate is 11.77. Muharram is on strike. Danish Farooq to Muharram. Another good shot played by Muharram for another huge 6. This is another 6 for Muharram. Another 6 for DDC Dondora. With this 6, the score goes on 210 for the loss of 8. Now remaining 3 deliveries. This is good cricket played by Muharram. Muharram is on 120. Just face 56. Danish Farooq to Muharram. Another good. This is the end of Muharram. Very good in cricket played by Muharram. He goes on 120. He faces 56 deliveries with the help of 13 fours and 10 huge 6. Another loss for DDC Dondora. 210 for the loss of 8. Akatu. Very good cricket played by the Muharram. He goes out on 120. Good knock played by Muharram. Now left only 2 deliveries. The new batsman is Faizan Ahmad Dar is the new batsman on crease. 210 on board for the loss of 9. This is the last wicket. Last 2 deliveries. This is good total on this pitch. Very good total given by DDC Dondora. And well played by Muharram. Good cricket played by Muharram. 120 runs. Danish Farooq to new batsman Faizan. And this is another 4. Another 4 for DDC Dondora. Good cricket played by DDC Dondora. With this 4, the score goes on 214 runs. Faizan is on strike. He is on 4. He faces only 1 delivery with the help of 1-4. Last delivery of this evening. Danish to Faizan, and this is top delivery. And now Yal needs 215 runs is the target for Yal. And well knock played by Muharram. He is the batsman for DDC Dondora. He plays a very well knock. 120 run individual score for Muharram. 215 run is the target for Yal.